I'll talk about
did not
Mahabharata and Ramayana.
build one of those nuclear plants in the last couple of years.
Answer the question. What is the strength of the tremor in Jaitapur?
The answer...
Tell me, do you know? Do you know what was the tremor of the earthquake at Jaitapur?
It's in the high risk zone. It's in zone 4.
I asked you a straightforward question.
It is in zone 4 and it is in the high risk
If you know, answer it. If you don't know, don't give me Mahabharata and Ramayana. What is the tremor strength at Jaitapur that you know?
The answer is simple, sir. It is in a high earthquake zone.
Look, this lady is talking rubbish. She doesn't know the answer. She is going somewhere else. I'm asking the price of potato and she's saying
that is absolutely wrong. It is in zone 4. It's in a
what
high
is the strength, lady? Answer the question.
There is a need to assess whether we want to build 9,900 megawatts of nuclear power in that zone.
My God. I mean, she's talking through her hat.
But Dr. Balachandran,
I asked the question. Can you answer that question, yes or no?
You answer the question, sir. You answer why we want to build 9,900 megawatts in an earthquake zone.
You want to know why we want electricity? Why do we need food? Why do we need electricity? Why do we need water? Am I going to answer you everything?
No, but Dr. Balachandran, this is on the high risk zone, is it not? Can you contest that fact?
Please, let me tell you this. It's a high risk zone 3. It's a zone 3. There are 3. And secondly, none of don't say sorry. You got no fact. You say sorry. I say
according to government documents, it's a zone 4. Not a zone 3.
Is what our research says as well. 4 is the reports that we're getting.
Get the geological. Anyway, as I told you, look, the
earthquake from the geological
the Jaitapur hearing
says it's a zone
4. Hearings has the strength of all the tremors that were in that area during the last, I think, God knows how many years. The maximum was, I think, about 4.2. Okay? 4.2, when it's 4 times less than Fukushima, 4 or 5 times less than Fukushima, in real terms, it's about, I do not know, about 1,000 times less.
Okay.
Now, so just because zone 4, okay, the largest tremor has taken. Now, if your question answered, look, let's separate out 2. What you said is true. The people in Jaitapur were worried about radiation. It is the duty of NPCL and AERB to convince them. I live in Chennai. I have been to Kalpakam. Kalpakam is 2.5 kilometers from
but does it not seem that the decision is being thrust down people's throats, sir?
There should be. Look, the answer is this. What you said is a question. They are worried unnecessarily. They should be explained what is radiation, why it will not affect people in Kalpakam. Near Mahabalipuram is only a couple of kilometers from Kalpakam. Mahabalipuram is a tourist place, nobody is evacuated. Radiation is not a problem. Why? They have to explain it. The fact is, unfortunately, both our NPCL, AERB, Atomic Energy have taken a high and mighty altitude. Instead of explaining, look, these people are worried legitimately. If you explain to them, they will not say, don't do that.